Do you want to turn your essential oils gathering dust on the shelf into finished products like this? Then let's make this Enchanted Forest Solid Lotion Bar together so you can have naturally smooth, beautiful skin. Hi, my name is Katie Veldkamp. I'm a co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils to make their own products. Turn off distractions, making is healing. Let's get started. Before I tell you what you need, I just want to make sure you know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making using essential oils easy. And that's why you can subscribe to our recipe box and we'll send you all the ingredients you need to make this recipe and more. Or you can find these ingredients at simplyearth.com. So I've got my recipe card here, which comes in your recipe box. For this recipe, you're gonna need almond oil, which is really nourishing to your skin. You're gonna need shea butter, which is one of my favorite ingredients for moisturizing my skin. It makes your skin soft. You'll also need a tablespoon of beeswax, 10 drops of pine essential oil, 2 drops of bergamot essential oil, which smells so good, 10 drops of whole wood essential oil, and 5 drops of autumn air essential oil blend. And don't forget your deodorant too. Last but not least, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to our recipe. So let's get started. So I'm gonna be using this to melt my ingredients. I can put this in a pan of simmering water to create a double boiler to melt my products, or I can stick this in the microwave using short intervals to melt. So first off, I need a 1/4 cup of almond oil. Next, I'm going to use a tablespoon of shea butter. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of beeswax to our lotion bar. And the beeswax is going to make this solid and balm-like. And now I'm going to go melt this. Alright, now that that has melted, I'm going to add the essential oils to create our Enchanted Forest aroma. So I'm adding 10 drops of pine, which is soothing to the skin and a natural cleaner. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 2 drops of bergamot, which smells citrusy and florally. I love this oil. 10 drops of whole wood. I love the calming aroma of this oil. It's also really soothing to the skin. And 5 drops of autumn air, which I think really brings the enchanted smell to this. Alright, I'm gonna stir this up. Now I'm gonna add my cornstarch. This is gonna thicken it up, and it's also gonna cause this oil mixture to start setting. You wanna stir it, look for clumps of cornstarch and try to get those out, because you don't want little cornstarch clumps in your lotion bar. And now it is time to pour it into this tube. Alright, now I just need to let this totally cool and then it's ready to be used. Don't forget to label it. I love to see your creations, so if you follow this tutorial and make this recipe, please share it on social media and tag From Simply Earth with hashtag I made this. If you want to learn how to use your essential oils to make products like this, then you need to check out Simply Earth's essential oil recipe box. It teaches you how to turn natural ingredients into finished products like this.